On our plant is XLPE B catalyst masterbatch extruder line. Before we have explained how to make XLPE A masterbatch. Today I will introduce how to make XLPE B catalyst masterbatch. Follow me. And the powder will be sucked into lost in waste system. This is the granules lost in waste system. This is the powder lost in waste system. The granules and the powder will be waiting in this seat. After waiting, will be directly into the twin screw extruder. The liquid will be waiting and then be injected into the twin screw extruder by the pump. That's right. This is the twin screw extruder. It's a water scanner pelletizing system. Two sets of tire to dry the strand again. After the granules be cut, it will be flowing into the fluidized bed. Take a close look at the mistake. To make the final granules without any molding. Then the final granules will be packaged. XLPE here exploded in HFFR, PVC, EPDM.